Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome to Tailor Made Beauty by Kris. Today I have a video for you. It's a kind of video that I like watching on other people's channels, but I also feel like it kind of smacks of desperation, like, I've got no idea what to shoot. I guess I'll shoot this. But I just kind of wanted to share it with you. What you're getting today is a behind the scenes tour of where I shoot, which is the lower level of my home. Here you go. When you come down the stairs at my house, this is what you see. And we have a wall here of vintage Piper Cub advertisements that I got for my husband several years ago for Christmas. That is the airplane that he learned to fly in, and he is currently rebuilding an L4, the military version, which is what his dad flew in World War II. And here you can see my current setup. If you are a longtime watcher of my channel, this is where I originally shot. And for a while, it was just that plain wall behind me, and then I put up some wallpaper there, and I shot there, I think, for just about a year. And then I got tired of that being in the way, and so I moved my setup, and maybe those closet doors look familiar because for about the last 9 months or so, that's where I've been shooting, is with those closet doors behind me. Ignore that stuff. That stuff is going away shortly. But as you maybe will see here in just a moment, I am a sewist, and also I do machine embroidery. And so I've recently gotten back into doing embroidery. I am attempting to make quilts for some special people in my life, and so that's what I'm working on right now. But I also have ongoing sewing projects, various machines. So at that end is all of my sewing stuff. And then there's some arts and crafts stuff in these drawers down here. And many of you know that we live on a lake. And so especially when I'm sewing, that is the view that I am treated to. Right now, that yellow thing out there is a temporary dam. It's filled with water because in the wintertime, sometimes our lake floods that high. And last year we lost most of the sand down there, and we're trying to prevent that this year. And it's my son's baseball net. Coming over here, kayaks and paddle boards for when the weather is much nicer. And here's, this is the miscellaneous junk corner for now. My ironing board, my iron. I have a couple of sewing projects there, stuff I need to take in. And then voila, it's just back to where I shoot. And yes, the big thing in the middle, it's a pool table. Underneath that blue apron box, we have a second home in Idaho, and so things that need to go over there, I put in that box, and it's real easy just to grab that box. And that light fixture, Tiffany light fixture down below, is what to use to hang above the pool table, and now I have that light fixture. And like I said, that is where I shoot, and when I am done, I take those large light fixtures and just move them on the other side of that armoire. So that is my behind the scenes tour of where I shoot.